Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video as usual at the end of the week. Today is Saturday afternoon, 1:30 p.m. in Miami. Let's get started. Small video, not too many trades this week. Like I said, sometimes one week is very good and then the other week is not that good. So it's just been going, alternate weeks like that for quite a while now. So last week was very, very good, but before that was slow, and now this last week, which we just ended yesterday, is also was also very slow. So, but it's still, it's good. So let's get started and watch what the trades were. Aussie yen. Okay, first Aussie got a little bit strong, and then later in the week it just collapsed. So getting a strong Aussie yen going to the upside, and it was expected because yen was getting weaker, so yen took this pair to the upside, yen weakness on the 13th. And then similarly, all yen pairs were going up for a little while because yen was getting a little bit weaker in the first part of the week or the beginning of the week, and then later yen got strong, very, very strong. So I'll show you the chart, yen index chart later. So USD yen going to the upside first on 20-minute chart. You can see on the 13th. Later it collapsed, and I have my short there. Now the later when yen started getting strong and CAD was as it is weaker, weaker currency for quite a while now. So CAD yen, boom, you can see from here all the way down, and then we broke below this level, weekly low, 82.22, and look how nice the entry is. And I forgot to mark here, the yellow mark, but it went down very, very nicely. Simple entry. Pound newsy, because of the pound strength, went above the level, very big level, 90.35 weekly high, and it found support here. And you notice that I opened a trade here a little bit early. I didn't even wait for the setup. This is how much I was sure because this indicator was all the way down. But look what happened here, then here. This area, this 90.35 was holding very nicely from here, starting from here. Right? And even from here, you can say that it was going up. It was poking into it, but more to the upside. And all in all, it was bouncing from dropping to this area, right, and going to the upside. So the sign was that it will be going to the upside. And as soon as it touches this area, 90.35, I opened the trade. And here was the nice setup. And after that, hallelujah, it's gone all the way. And then you can see this. Now the game starts on the other side, like yen start getting strong. And then you can see pound yen and all the yen pairs started to come down, and I didn't hesitate opening my trade because I knew that this was going to happen. And I'll show you at the end, just after a few charts. That's why I showed it all the yen pairs all of a sudden. All right, so first entry was there, and I didn't close. I was supposed to close here, but I wasn't available to close the trade, and then it bounced. This is what happened if you're not, on a daily basis, you need to close the trade and then open them up again most of the time. If not, then it retraces on it. So I was supposed to close here and then make an entry here, but I didn't close, so it went up and then was coming down again, and I made an entry here again, and then this was an entry too, but since I was already in, so I didn't take this one. And you can see what happened. First entry and then 30 pip, second entry 60 pip, as it is at the time of taking this chart, saving this chart, and I closed the trades. Enough is enough, right? And then you can see Aussie yen, similar situation all the way from the top. When the yen index started to turn to the downside, I showed it all the yen pairs, and this is one of them, 84.51. Earlier you saw that I took a long and then start shorting, and then again same way, USD yen first was a long, and then from the top start shorting. This entry was a little bit late, and but still I knew that was going to happen, and then this is what happened. Euro yen similar. Okay, I had the trade last week, all the way from the top, and this one, and then this one, the current one. And there was another one which I just couldn't save the chart. Um, and this was okay. Now let me show you. This is what the yen index is. 20-minute yen index. And see this 13th March. I knew that it will go to the upside a little bit, just a little bit, to this 55, 70, 80 area, this white band. That's why I have this yellow mark. Maybe it will go there, and then from there it will make a turn all the way down to this low again. How do I know this? And what really happened is this. You see that? So, and coming down, this index, the yen index, when it is coming down, yen is getting strong. And since yen is always on the right-hand side on all the pairs, they will be all going to the downside. All of them. Okay. Unless there's, the left-hand side currency is way stronger than that, right? Or stronger than yen. But, and, watching this yen index, watching this yen, not yen, I mean any index, but yen index is because you have so many yen pairs. It's so important that it gives you so many opportunities. I just showed you, right? If you open, if you pinpoint the direction of this yen index properly, the right way, you will literally have like 8 to 10 different pairs to choose from. Which one you want to trade? Pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, New Zealand yen, franc yen, God knows how many yen. Because they all will be moving at the same time when the yen index is moving. So you see yen index, this is a 20-minute chart, and then you can see yen is just keep going to the downside, right? And I don't know if I have this, let me just quickly, if I can show you my yen chart here. I made it a long time ago, not a long time ago, but see on the 15th, 16th February, right? When yen index was dropping, it's a monthly chart, by the way. Okay. I don't watch only 20-minute, 40-minute. I just cover the whole market, actually. And this is the big picture. And this is the one actually tells you what is really happening in the market and which direction it's supposed to go. So you see, when we were here, I said next is 54.73, and after that 52. Which one? This one. And doing so, yen will be getting strong, sending most yen pairs down. I said that on the 16th February, and since then it's just like coming down, down, down. And we came down to 54.73. We bounced a little bit, and then we came down again, and we are at 73. May be able to show you the live chart as well, yen index quickly. Let me open it up. This is how I cover everything, and you see the big picture, and then you on a small charts, 20-minute, 40-minute, you play the game on a daily basis, little by little. Look, this is my monthly chart. See that? Same chart. And you can see that this is 54.73, and we hit, we bounce, and then we are back to that level again, 2 times. Just a little bounce, but then we are back. Almost where? 54.85 we closed last week. So this is the number we are playing around. And this was my chart. You see? 50. So first we came, we bounced a little bit, then again we dropped, and we are at 54.73. Let's see what happened. I know what's going to happen, and then I give tell my subscriber, be ready for that, and we will take it from there. And where am I? Okay, here. All right. So this is how we trade here with the indexes. It's not only this one. I watch all of the euro index, pound index, USD index. USD index, I said that we're going to be going to the upside for wave 4, and since then we are going almost a month now. Slowly dragging to the upside, but yes, we are going to the upside. And once the wave 4 is finished, you're going to be dropping, and USD will be getting weaker big time. later in probably, if not this month, the next month, and then all the USD pair will be flying. All right, so I have everything covered, and like I said, if you like what you saw here and on my website, just go there and you can subscribe. You can get the system on the charts and everything. And over the weekend, you can set it up. There's a little bit of work to do, of course. You get the charts, you get the template, the EA, that online yard, and then you have to open up the charts, and then 1 minute hosting chart, and then 20 minute and 40 minute, and then set them up. And you have plenty of time, so get it and start from Monday. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.